Remove and replace a cartridge when it is empty or past its expiration date. The processing station indicates an empty cartridge by the red LED light beside the cartridge. The front panel also displays a message that indicates that the cartridge should be replaced. The processing station can continue filling the build unit without any cartridges, depending on the needed material. At the processing station's front panel, tap Supplies and then tap Replace on the Fresh Material tab. Disconnect the cartridge connector on the cartridge you need to replace. If the cartridge is not empty and you intend to use it later, make sure to close the front spout. If it is empty, dispose of it according to the local regulations. Remove the old cartridge. Grab a new cartridge. Tear off the cardboard square, fold it inside the handle, and remove it. Remove the seal from the rear spout. Place the new cartridge into its correct slot on the processing station. Open the front spout and remove the seal. Connect the cartridge connector to the cartridge. On the printer's front panel, touch Finish and Check, and then touch OK. The LED light on the processing station next to the cartridge blinks white and will remain fixed if the replacement was successful.